Hello, good people of the internet. My name is Hexa. Welcome back to my channel. If you like videos on wellness, self-improvement, bath and beauty stuff, and some other random fun things, then this YouTube channel might be totally up your alley, so you should go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing my long-awaited February Lush Kitchen box. This took a lot longer to arrive than anticipated because it is the first box that I received after Brexit, or the first box that I paid for after Brexit. At any rate, I had to pay a bunch of income taxes on this, which was not fun. Thank you so much to the xenophobic people of the UK who voted out. But you know, c'est la vie, blah. Blah blah. Anyway, so this has been opened by customs. I'm hoping that everything is okay in there and nothing was damaged. It is labeled as the January Lush Kitchen box, but it's like February themed. I'm not gonna show you the box because it has like a bajillion stickers from the customs office and stuff all over it with my address and things, so I'm just gonna rip it open on my lap and let's dig in. Oh, I forgot. Wow, knife right in my face. That is smart. Today's video is all over the place. I don't know. I've been feeling very chaotic energy in my videos recently. As you might notice if you watch my channel, I am not in my normal setup today. I'm at my boyfriend's house and I'm just sitting on his bed filming. If you've watched my Lush Kitchen unboxings before, you'll know that I like to first go over what was on the vote, what I voted for, and why. So we're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna open the box. And if you want to skip straight to opening the box, the timestamps will be in the description box down below. So for this month's vote, number one, we had the Chocolala massage bar. I absolutely voted for this because it looks chocolatey and amazing. Smooth, hydrating cocoa and shea butters into skin, while the deliciously uplifting scents of dark chocolate, orange oil, and sandalwood boost your mood. Anything that has chocolate in the name is an instant yes for me. Frog Prince Bath Bomb. Seductively floral, jasmine and rose scented with a fair trade organic cocoa butter kiss. Get ready for a princely soak in magical green waters that will leave your skin soft. I voted for this primarily for the look of it. It is very, very cute. I love the theme of this bath bomb, and yeah, I thought it was really cute, so I did vote for this. The Kiss Lip Scrub, a deliciously sweet cherry kiss of castor sugar, sea salt, edible red hearts, and hundreds and thousands that will polish your pout. Hundreds and thousands of what? I don't know, I'm confused. I did vote for this. I normally don't love cherry scented or cherry flavored lip scrubby type things, but I'm a sucker for Valentine's Day. I love anything that is Valentine's themed, and I just loved the name of this lip scrub. Some of the ingredients did sound pretty nice. I'm very curious to see the edible red hearts and stuff. Snuggle body butter. Warming ginger and rich sandalwood soothe skin while you rub hydrating fair trade organic cocoa butter all over. Rinse and pat dry, leaving skin feel softened. I think they mean leaving skin feeling softened. I didn't vote for this because it has ginger in it and I don't really love the smell of ginger, but I did love the name of it. I thought it was really cute, but the scent just didn't sound like it was for me. Wash that man right out of my hair shower gel. This is so weird to me that this is not a shampoo. I mean, it's called Wash That Man Right Out of My Hair, so you would assume it is for the hair, but it is not. A seductively floral cocktail of scents. Fresh guava and fig juices are squeezed into this enlivening shower gel for fragrant, glowing cleanses. I definitely voted for this. I feel like I've seen it on some people's feeds on like Lush accounts, and I don't know, the whole guava and fig stuff sounded very interesting and what's the word? Exotic. So I definitely wanted to give that a try. Next we had the Queen of Hearts soap, which again, I really love the name of this product. Luxurious rose petal infusion and vanilla absolute soothes your skin, while almond oil and cocoa butter moisturize and make you feel like royalty. I really love that it's got rose and vanilla. That sounded really, really nice, so I definitely did vote for that. Next was the Kisskin Bubble Bar, and this just to me looks like a little monster out of like Moshi Monsters. Did anyone ever used to play that game? It was so fun. I loved the ice cream game that they had in Moshi Monsters. It was really cute. This raspberry and bergamot beauty greets everyone with a lemon oil and violet leaf kiss and skin softening hug of shea butter and extra virgin coconut oil bubbles. This has so many things I love. Raspberry, I love raspberries. It has bergamot, which smells really nice and uplifting. The lemon oil sounds really, really nice and zesty. And again, violets. My mom really loves violets, but I also have recently been introduced to the smell of violets, and I am also a new fan. I did vote for this. I thought it was so cute, and I do quite hope it is in the box. Next was the Emoji Bomb called Too Drunk. Intense and invigorating, get yourself into the shower with this fennel oil fizzer. The zesty scent of toning sweet wild orange is joined by rousing peppermint oil for an instant pick-me-up. I didn't vote for this because of the fennel. Anything I've received in the Lush Kitchen box recently that contains fennel, I've just not particularly liked the smell of. I did think it was a fun little concept. It looks quite cute and weird, but scent-wise, I didn't think that I would like it, so I didn't vote for that. And the last item on the vote was the Yuki Hai Bath Bomb. I wonder what that means. It sounds like a Japanese word. Heady floral, jasmine, and ylang ylang emerge from this rougey sea salt studded bath bomb. That is so confusing. Rise from soothing palmarosa oil infused waters with a renewed sense of allure. Other than jasmine and ylang ylang, the ingredients of this totally confused me, but it did sound like it would be nice, so I did vote for this as well. So that was it. That was the vote. Now it's time to dig into the box. Unfortunately, I have seen a few spoilers of what is in this month's box because I was not careful enough about avoiding my Lush account during this time while waiting for my box to arrive. So I've tried to forget as much as I can to be fully surprised, but I did get a few little sneaky peeks. Let's cut the tape from the Zollamt. I really hope nobody damaged my goody goodies. This box smells really, really good. They always smell really good. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Put the lime in the coconut. I wonder what that means. Do I like lime? Yes. Do I like coconut? Yes. Do I like them together? Remains to be seen. Let's see what's in here. The box smells very, very good. Okay, first thing I see is something in a tub and something purple. This is definitely, I feel like a lot of these packing peanuts were removed. It is not as tightly packed as it normally is, so I feel like they maybe got a few of them out of here when they were checking my stuff out to make sure it was not real bombs. Okay, I'm gonna get the little something purple. Ooh, this is the, what was his name? Kiskin? Oh my god, it's so cute. Is he supposed to have, ooh, doesn't smell so nice as I expected. Oh, it seems he has lost his little something, a little hat. Wait, a little something something. He has, I think he has a like a little leaf. There we go, that's supposed to go there. He's so cute. It's a little. It smells a little weird. Not so much a fan of the smell of this. I'm sorry, dude. He's really, really cute though. The eyes look like they look like chocolate chips. He has this little hat that's like a star and a little leaf sticking out of his head, and he's pink and purple and very, very adorable. Really, really, really cute looking product. Scent-wise, just keeps falling. Scent-wise, not so much of a fan. I don't know. What does this remind me of? This reminds me of something, but I don't really know what. What was, I don't know. I'll check the ingredients at the end and try to put my finger on what this guy smells like. It's like, it smells like a little salty and like a little herbal or something. I don't know. He's got a bit of like a bitterness or something. This is definitely a product that I would love to have like immortalized into a stuffed animal of sorts. That would be really, really adorable. He just looks so cute, but yeah, scent-wise, I'm not necessarily a big fan of this one. Next up, let's see what we have. We have a bottle. Let's look at the bottle. I think I know what this is. Alrighty. Yes, this is the Wash That Man Right Out of My Hair kitchen exclusive shower gel. It's a full-size bottle, which is very nice. Very glad to have that. The color of it is like a clear reddish orange sort of color, similar to Karma. Let's open this up and see what this smells like. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. That is a lot going on. It's very nice. Very, wow. Smells like a flower garden for a princess in India or something. It's just, ugh. So many, it's so floral and so decadent and so rich and exotic and like just full. It's got a lot of punch. It's a very strong scent, but really, really nice. So many nice ingredients. Wow. There's a lot going on in this. I really, really love this scent, actually. I would love if this became a permanent item in Lush's line. Whoa, there's really like a lot going on. I just feel like I've entered a secret garden of sorts. Really wonderful. I think I am definitely gonna like this one. Oh, I forgot to give ratings. I usually give ratings, so let's do ratings. Mr. Kisskin, exclusively because of the scent, is gonna get a 3 out of 10 because I just have no love or interest for this scent, sadly, but looks-wise, absolutely adorable. 10 out of 10. Wash that man right out of my hair. Do I ever give 10 out of 10? I'm gonna give this like a 8 out of 10 just because I think for some people this might be a little bit strong. I quite like it, but again, I don't know if I'm gonna like it on my skin that much or if it's a little bit too strong. It's not a very relaxing sort of scent. So I feel like for certain times of the day or for certain occasions, it might feel a little bit pungent or a little bit overwhelming, but it is very, very pleasant. Just a little too strong, I think, for every day. There are probably other shower gels that I would be more tempted and more like happy to use every day. Whereas for this one, I feel like I have to be in a certain mood to really reach for this, even though again I do really like the scent of it. It's just like very overpowering, so I feel like at certain times it would just like knock me off my feet. So yeah. Okay, next up we have something in a little jar. Ooh, Lime Bounty Body Butter. Why do I feel like I've seen this before? I feel like I've had this product before or something similar to it, maybe. I don't know. Let's open it up and give it a sniff. Ooh, that looks very pretty. Wow. Ooh, I quite like that. It smells like a coconut lime pie, like a lime custard pie with coconut cream on top or something. It looks really nice as well. It's like lime green, like a light pastel lime green with these little flakes of, I think they're just flakes of coconut on the surface of it. Really, really nice. I would give this a solid 8 out of 10. Again, this is a product I feel like I would be happy to use, and can't talk. I would be happy to use this on a lot of occasions, and especially I feel like for the summer this would be really nice, just because that like nice lime scent and the coconuts, it just like takes you away to a remote beach island. My microphone is dead. I don't know what's going on with my microphone. It just like randomly disconnects for no clear reason. I always have to be on the lookout, making sure my audio is not, you know. Really nice, like the scent, glad I got this. Let's dig around and see what is in the box, and it is the Frog Prince Bath Bomb. Oh, it's flat. I thought it was gonna be like a 3D bath bomb, but it's not, it's flat. Ooh. Interesting scent there. Not what I expected. I don't know. It smells like Johnson's baby products, but stronger. I don't know. It's a little bit like powdery or creamy, or again very traditional. Smells like a Dove soap bar kind of vibe as well. A little bit generic, but not in a bad way. His toes are slightly chipped. Probably have customs to thank for that. The lips are absolutely hilarious. I mean, it's so weird. That piece of bath bomb dust just floated in my mouth. I think the lips are like cocoa butter or something, and you can kind of see like a ring around the frog's mouth from, I guess, where like the oils from that cocoa butter are seeping into the bath bomb and compromising the texture of it, which is really hilarious. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. Yeah, it smells very familiar. Smells like a lot of products that I feel like were in my house growing up. I would give this like a 7 or 8 out of 10. It's a solid scent. All right, and we should have one more thing, and I'm guessing it's gonna be a small thing because I cannot see anything in here. Oh, Whoa. 2 hearts beating as one. Solid perfume. Wow. I've heard about this shower gel, the 2 hearts beating as one shower gel, and I was very, very intrigued by it. I thought that the sound of it, like the product name, really, really intrigued me. Again, love anything Valentine's Day and hearts and love themed, so I was really, really intrigued by this and always hoped that I would get to smell this smell, and now I can smell it. The solid perfume is a light pink color. Ooh. This smells familiar. It smells like one of my mom's perfumes. I think that has geranium. Yeah, I definitely think that has geranium in it. But other than that, I can't tell what perfume this reminds me of, but it's a very complex scent. Feels very mature and sophisticated. Really interesting. Really nice. Can't wait to find out what is in here. Having a hard time placing it. I'm gonna give that also a 7 or 8 out of 10. It's not something I would wear as an everyday scent, but for like special occasions, nights out, fancy formal events, this definitely gives me that kind of vibe. I feel like I've made very little eye contact with the camera today. I've just been like in my own head a little bit, just looking in all the directions. Okay, I think that's everything. I don't think there's anything else inside this box. I was kind of hoping that we would get the lip scrub. Oh, and also the Dyalla massage bar. I'm happy with this month's selection. I think it was a really good box. There was only one product that I didn't really love the scent of. Everything else was pretty good. Super happy with it. Now let's have a look in our little paper thingy. Dum, 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 dum. Kisskin, I said I didn't love the scent of. Vegan dark chocolate? Oh yeah, the eyes. I thought I liked violets, but now I'm thinking that maybe it's the violets in here that I'm not liking. A little bit confused. I expected that I would like the scent of this, but Frog Prince, which I said smells like Johnson's Baby product and Rose, no, what am I saying? Dove soap bars. Maybe it's the gardenias. It is nice. It is a very nice scent. Lime Bounty, Muru butter. Oh my god. Butter. Very, very nice. Wash that man right out of my hair. I already read the ingredients off of this, I think. And lastly, we have the 2 hearts beating as one solid perfume. Candela wax. Geranium oil, I called it. I knew there was geranium. Celery seed oil? That is weird. The celery must be giving it some kind of unrecognizable, bizarre note in there. Not surprised to find the geranium in here. Yeah, it has, I guess, some very like traditional classic florals in here. So I feel like this is a scent, even though like Lush feels like a brand that is more made to appeal to like the younger generation with all the like, you know, minimalistic packaging and like the cute, colorful bath bombs and the pretty colors and the scents and the everything. I feel like this scent, the 2 hearts beating as one, is very, very classic, very timeless, and it would definitely appeal to any person of any age. Feels like something Coco Chanel would wear. Yeah, okay. I need water. My throat is very dry and sore. Will my eye sting after scratching it, after touching all of these products? Let's find out. No, I think I'm good. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's unboxing. I had a lot of fun. I really liked this box. It was a very good box. I'm pretty happy with everything that we got, and yeah, happy to have you here. If you also got this month's box, let me know which of these products was your favorite. If you want to see more videos like this, as well as videos on lifestyle, wellness, mental health, and other stuff like that, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. You can also leave me a like and a comment down below to help the algorithm, and share this video with anyone who you think would also like it. If you want to see more content from me, then you can also follow me on social media. All of my links are down below. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.